What's up, everyone? This is Drew Page here. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. Today I'm going to take you into one of my rentals where, for whatever reason, I've had some tenants that were renting from me in this apartment and they just bounced. Didn't hear anything from them. They just stopped paying, stopped calling. Had a good relationship with them too, so I'm not really sure what happened, but I've actually been in and it is a hot mess. And so I thought I would show you, some of the honest work behind being a landlord and having tenants. And, sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. I mean, I have 8 doors now. My goal is to get to 100 doors. But this one's pretty bad. So I'm going to take you in and let you see what it looks like. All right, so let's get in and let's unlock the door. We'll get in and see what we got. Of course, it helps if the key actually goes in. All right. So first things first, we walk in, you see the carpet's a hot mess, and they just left all this stuff. Not exactly sure why. But, at first when I came by to do the inspection, I thought maybe they had an emergency or something and they're coming back. But the thing is you'll see when we get to the kitchen why I now know that's not the case. You got all this stuff up here. They left their phone. They got all this stuff. Clothes, trash, all the cable wiring. You can see back there all the food stuff they left. They left some TV stand here. But the real tale was the kitchen. This is how I knew that they left. Now this is just a nasty room now. You can see the stuff all over the floor. Garbage and junk. But the kitchen, this is what's nasty. So we got the pizza boxes and trash. We got the bottles back here. Everything's still kind of gross. At least the doors are locked. But look down here at the floor. Look at all these bugs moving. And they're everywhere. You see them all the way up here on this fridge. I'm gonna have to get a new floor. I love spending money on floors, let me tell you. You see all this food here. Look at all these bugs. It's just gross. Look at the refrigerator, all the maggots all over everything. And you open up the fridge. Oh, look. Food with maggots all over it. Isn't that great? I mean, that's what you deal with sometimes when you have landlord-tenant issues. You got food all over here. All their pots and pans are still here. Everything is around. They just bounced. We got all this stuff. Let's go into the other rooms. All right, so this is the hallway. This is the bathroom. Got all their stuff here. I mean, it's almost like they just decided to run away for some reason. You got all the clothes here. There's no telling what you can find. I mean, maybe there's money around here. I doubt it, though. It's another one of the bedrooms. Clothes and stuff everywhere. I mean, it's like they were running away from the law. It's crazy. This is one of the other rooms. You see all the stains on the carpet. Looks great. And we got this room. Food all over the place and trash everywhere. Stuff up here. Got the Irish Spring soap, so that's a good thing. Big television here. I'm not sure, why they would leave a TV here. Whatever. More trash, more garbage. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, look, this is nice, isn't it? Look at all this trash and garbage. Oh, man. Sorry about the lighting, but they cut the utilities off without letting me know. So I'm going to have to get those put back on. Closet full of clothes and stuff. I mean, the house is just a wreck. So what do I do when I have situations like this? I mean, The step one is going to be getting all this crap cleaned out. I've actually got somebody coming in today that's going to take a look and try to clear all of this garbage out and take it to the dump. That's usually not too expensive. Anybody that's willing to pick it up and haul it, I don't care who it is. They don't have to be professionals. I've got, I think, some teenagers coming in with their dad that my family knows pretty well. They're going to come in, make a few dollars, and get this place cleaned out. So that's step one. Then step two is going to be calling pest control, because the insect situation in the kitchen is disgusting. And the other thing is this is a triplex, so I don't want the insects messing with the other units. So I need to get someone here fast and in a hurry to clean that out so we can get that done. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get replace the appliances, because again, they're just covered with grossness, with insects and things. So I got to get a new stove. I got to get a new fridge. That's going to cost some money, but you know, we'll survive. I'm going to get another floor put in that kitchen. That's not going to cost too much either. Throw some linoleum down there. It'll be fine. And then I'm going to come in and get somebody to, you know, touch up the paint a little bit, get it smelling fresher in here, and clean the carpets out. I mean, that's going to be another thing. Clearing the floor out and the carpets, that's going to be huge. That's really not as expensive as you might think, but I mean, it's definitely something that has to be done. So that's what I'm dealing with today. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to, you know, maybe you're someone who is thinking about getting in the rental business and things like this scare you. It shouldn't. It's really not that bad. You know, they say, oh, you're going to be a manager yourself and that's going to be a problem. I've heard Grant Cardone say that several times. Big deal. I make a couple phone calls. I'm not going to clean any of this crap out. I'm not cleaning the carpets. I'm not changing the paint. And if the toilet goes bad, I'm not cleaning the toilet. I'm going to make a phone call and somebody's going to come out and take care of it. They say, well, that costs money. Well, yeah, it's all a tax write-off. It's a tax deduction. So what do I care? I mean, I get the benefit of that. And then, you know, I get the rent that comes when I get this place rented out, which, by the way, won't take me very long. All of my other units are full. I have a waiting list, so it's really not that bad. So anyway, hope this is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if there are any specific topics you'd like me to stick to or talk to, please put those down in the comments below, because I want to keep you around, and I appreciate all of you watching my channel. Take care.